Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hello. Now, have you ever noticed that when you log onto the internet, you nearly always see adverts for things that you are interested in? Yes? Okay, so let's say you were looking for a new pair of trainers last week. Well, suddenly you will see adverts for trainers all over the place. Well, believe it or not, this isn't random. The internet browsers, websites, and apps that we use know a lot about us because they monitor how we use their site or app. This way, they can work out what we like and don't like. Clever? So, you have probably heard of cookies. Am I right? Yes? Okay. When you visit some sites for the first time, a cookie is downloaded onto your computers that keeps a track on how you travel around the site and exactly what you do. So the next time you use the site again, your computer will check the cookies and adapt depending on the information stored from your last visits with me. Okay, so without even thinking about it, we give out a lot of information that can then be used to personalize of online experience. Now, I saw a great presentation last week by the internet activist Ellie Pariser, and I want to tell you a little bit about. He wrote a book a few years called The Filter Bubble, and I think it's something that we should. I'm just going to give you a little tester. Now he likened to filter bubble to an ecosystem, and he claimed it is something that we should all be worried about. Now, after reading this book and watching his talk, I have got to say I agree with him. I think it's something you should all know about too. So let me try to explain using a simple example. Imagine I support a political party. So to keep this really simple, let's call it the yellow party. Okay, so let's say I have a lot of friends who also uh, support the post from all my friends, but I tend to click more on the links that are posted by my friends who support the yellows like me. Obviously, even so, I do still want to see what the rest are posting about with me. Okay, now a few months ago, just before the big election, I noticed something quite weird happening on my news feed. I noticed that my friends who support the red party and had almost completely disappeared from the site, and I always be only being shown posts from my yellow friends. Where Now I wondered if all my red friends had left the social media space and moved somewhere else. But when I clicked on their profiles to check, I could see that they had been busy posting links and talking to people, but their posts were being hidden from me, and it's only now I understand why. I know it's because I hardly ever clicked on their posts and I didn't interact so much with them. So the social media site itself had decided for me that I wasn't interested in their posts, so they decided not to show them to me. Now, this is an example of what Elibraser means by the filter bubble. It's when the website and apps choose what information we can and can see. Does that make sense? Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.